I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. We're tracking thunderstorms as we go into Wednesday evening and overnight. Time frame of interest running from 7 to 3 o'clock, especially most focused in the northern third of Iowa, up into that level 3 zone, if you will. Wind will be the primary troublemaker with storms that do grow to be strong to severe. But all this conditional on seeing the best environment take shape. And there are some question marks behind that conditionality. Morning rain still lingering in northern Iowa, and that could very well stifle things. Still, there's an isolated pulsing that could happen for Wednesday evening, but further development will transpire on a bit more widespread level. We'll watch for that damaging wind potential. So we do have that rain building in, and we'll continue to see waves through the next couple of overnights and early mornings especially. Staying hot, but how those interactions with rain and storms will dictate just how hot things will be. We're going to keep our weather impact alert going for the heat. As we do peek ahead for Thursday, we are going to push the heat index up into the triple digits, provided we get that chance for the sunshine to push back in here. Should it happen, triple digits once again will be possible. We go into Friday, I think that's going to be the most robust setup when it comes to the heat and humidity on a widespread level, and we'll kick those readings back up. Conceivably as high as 105, but likely falling into the range of about 97 to 105 at peak across central Iowa. So thunderstorms trying to develop. Again, the northern third of Iowa especially. We'll watch for some pulses that could see some of those stronger wind gusts develop, especially if we see things form into a complex or bowing out. That will further enhance that wind threat. Certainly a lot of heavy rain streaking through as well, potentially 1 to 3 inches up into northern Iowa. We'll try to develop in the afternoon and evening, pulsing up on that daytime heating. This is still a little bit of a wild card, but we'll continue to track that. What looks to be more certain is another complex through the overnight and early morning with some heavier rain and wind potential. We'll go into Friday. You guessed it, another evening and overnight round of rain trying to nudge in from the north. But you've noticed that this activity is actually starting to push a little bit further south and east day over day. Now, we still on the severe weather outlook are holding level 2 across northern Iowa for both Thursday and Friday. That does include each of the overnights as well. We'll continue to track it with those storms moving through. Primarily overnight scenarios bring us wind threats primarily. 76 degrees tonight with the overnight low and 90 for Thursday. There will be some that hold short of reaching 90 degrees. And as the temperatures do fill in here, you'll see a mix of upper 80s and low 90s. The warmest will be over southeastern Iowa. That is expected. Staying muggy in the long run too, all the way through the 4th of July. I do think these numbers start to fall off just a little bit beginning Sunday and into next week. With it as such, we'll also see the temperature dip as well, a couple of degrees. And this takes us out of that dangerous range when it comes to heat and humidity. Now, overall, it is still going to be very summery. It's going to be what I would say is actually hot as well, but we'll keep it under those dangerous threats that we've been watching the last couple of afternoons. One thing to watch on the 4th of July, and while I think most of the day is coming back void of rain, it's the overnight and into Sunday time frame to watch for. More clusters of showers and thunderstorms may just impact fireworks time, but most of this is centered later into the overnight and may linger into Sunday just a bit.